Hello guys, welcome again to my channel. Today we go to Azul Garden in Tour Hotel. If you are new on this channel, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, activate the bell like this, you know when I'm posting a new video. Today we go around how somebody left me a comment. I went to this hotel to make a review. If you want to see something else, don't forget to write in the comments, share, subscribe, activate the bell like this, you know when I'm posting a new video. Let's go around, let's see how it's looking. Let's go around. Okay guys, here is Azul Garden entry. Over there is the bus station, just over there. And from here you are entering. Let's go around. Let's see how it's looking. It's a long queue. If you're coming on holiday and you are staying, it's part of the Intour Hotel. There are three of them. Esmeralda Park, this one and the other one. I have video in descriptions. It's really nice. If you went before, just let a comment like this. We know from where are you from. Just put a comment from which part of the country you are. Over there you have the snack bar. They have a really nice pool. Over there is the snack bar. And over there is the reception. Here you have a pool table. And this is the pool. And here is the entry. We don't have too much to see around. ¡Hey! Aquí tenemos el snack bar y aquí está la piscina. The pool is huge. We have also here like a fountain. I don't know if it's a jacuzzi or something. Yeah, it's a fountain. Here we have a shower. Here is the lifeguard, and over there you have the ping pong table. And over there you have the kids pool. Yeah. Okay guys, this was the video. Let's go around. And here you have all the information from the pool, I think. The pool is open at 10 and they close at 7. And here you have just a green thing, green area where you can relax. Okay guys, this was the video of today. This was the review. Somebody asked me for it. I made it. I hope you enjoy it. If you want to see something else guys, don't forget to write me in the comments. Like this I know where to go, a review for a hotel, for a restaurant, somewhere in Mallorca. I'm based in Calador. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.